So welcome everyone. These are the revision lectures we have started of standard 6 and the third lesson is integers. We have taken two lectures prior to this, before this. Now let's start the lecture integers. So what is integers? I'll tell you directly. So we have come to we want to know one term, that is natural numbers. Okay, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the counting numbers. They start from 1 2 3 4 5 and they have no end. Natural numbers are start होते हैं 1 2 से 1 2, they start from 1 and they have no end. देखो यहाँ पे डॉट डॉट दिया, that means end नहीं है, चला आएगा end नहीं है. So natural numbers don't have end. Natural numbers don't have end. They are known as natural numbers. Getting? But these numbers, when we add zero to these numbers, बघा नॅचरल नंबर मध्ये आपण जर झिरो ऍड केला, अगर हमने यहाँ पे झिरो ऍड कर दिया, देखो मैं जो इंपॉर्टेंट है ना वही आपको बता रहा हूँ. इन दिस नेचुरल नंबर्स अगर हमने जीरो ऐड कर दिया, द सेट ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स टुगेदर विथ जीरो, अगर जीरो हमने ऐड किया देन इट इज नोन एज होल नंबर्स. इट इज नोन एज होल नंबर्स. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? होल नंबर्स. WHOLE, whole number. So whole numbers or natural number, the difference is only zero. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 and they also have no end. End आएगा नहीं है. So there are two terms we have come to know. Natural numbers start from 1, whole numbers start from 0. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, no end. But there is another term known as integers. There is another term known as integers, and integers are of two type. Two means there are two words: positive number and negative number. Positive number and negative number. So you know positive number and negative numbers. Positive numbers are 1 2 3, and if we add negative sign to them, then they are known as negative numbers, right? If we consider one number line, if I draw a number line, in the number line, what can we see here? Suppose this is a number line given to us. In this number line, याला संकरेष म्हणतो आपण. In this number line, this is your zero. याला zero म्हणतात. From on the right hand side of the zero, on the right hand side of the zero, it is 1 2 3 positive numbers are written, and on the left hand side, -1 -2 -3 negative numbers are written. And these positive numbers, negative numbers, along with the zero, they are together known as integers. समजलं? The positive numbers, these positive numbers, negative numbers, along with the zero, they are known as integers. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? They are known as integers. Getting? They are known as integers. So where do we use negative numbers? Where do we negative numbers? So to show the temperature. See, the temperature of Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir, it is -8 degrees Celsius. So it goes below zero. Zero के नीचे जाएंगे तो it is negative. Zero से खाली गेलो it is negative, right? Zero से खाली गेलो क्या था? Negative temperature होऊन जातं. So positive numbers are shown with the their positive numbers may or may not have positive sign before that. पॉझिटिव्हच्या नंबरच्या पुढे पॉझिटिव्हच्या साइन असेल किंवा नसेल. गेटिंग? सी हिअर. The positive sign plus sign is generally not written before positive number. Yes, sorry guys, there was a network problem. Don't worry. So, what we need to understand? What we need to understand that positive sign is generally not written before positive numbers. However, it is necessary to write a negative sign of a negative number. Negative sign of a negative number. Getting? Zero does not have any sign. Zero does not have any sign. That means that if a number is if number is positive 2, so उसको ऐसा नहीं लिखते, so it can be written as 2 only. But if number is negative 2, तो उसको हम ऐसे ही लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, उसको हम पॉजिटिव या फिर उसको सिर्फ दो नहीं लिख सकते. वी हैव टू ऐड द साइन. एंड जीरो, जीरो इज नीदर पॉजिटिव नॉर, इसको साइन नहीं है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कुछ नहीं होता. जीरो इज जीरो ओनली. समझा? ओके, तो यू शुड नॉट मेक सम मिस्टेक्स व्हाइल सॉल्विंग दिस. चलो आगे जाएंगे, पुढे जाऊया. चला, easy chapter hai, but it takes some time, and yes, some experiments are also given to you. Yes. Have you ever visited a mall? कभी मॉल में गए हो? Have you ever visited a mall? So if you have been to a mall मध्ये गेल्यानंतर बघा, this is a kind of lift. ये सब lift में गए हैं. तो lift में. So here zero means ground floor. Zero means what? Ground floor. Zero means ground floor. पहिलाच माळा, सॉरी पहिला माळा पण नाही. हम्म. Zero means ground floor. So if you want to go above, देखो पॉजिटिव 1 2 3, सो 3 माळ्याचा मॉल है हा. लेकिन कभी कभी क्या होता है कि अंडरग्राउंड भी होता है. हैव यू सीन? अंडरग्राउंड होता है, लाइक पार्किंग होता है वहां पे, या फिर देर इज समथिंग इन द अंडरग्राउंड. सो -1 एंड -2. तो नीचे जाना होता है. सो इट इज गिवन -1 एंड -2 इन अ मॉल. आई थिंक आपने देखा होगा, कभी मॉल में गए हो तो -2 तो नहीं, लेकिन -1 तो बहुत बार हमने देखा होगा. -1 लाइक दैट. Here showing integers on number line, showing integers on a number line. Let's see here. I have already shown you, this is the origin shown by 0. This is the origin shown by 0. On the right hand side of the 0, numbers are positive. These are the positive numbers. +1.
सर
बोला.
स्क्रीन बरोबर दिसत नाहीये.
1 मिनिट, बाळांनो, 2 मिनिट थांबा.
सर
So showing integers on a number line, again repeating, this is 0, that is origin. And on the right hand side of the 0, numbers are positive. Numbers are positive. And on the left hand side of 8, and on the left hand side of 8, the numbers are negative. The numbers are negative. They have the same distance from the 0. They have the same distance from the 0. Like suppose we start from the 0. So this is the same distance. +1 -1, +2 -2, +3 -3, right? They have the same distance from 0. They have the same distance from the 0, right? Good. So I hope you got this. If you want to draw it, जर तुम्हाला तुमच्या याने पेन्सिलने तुम्ही आपल्या पट्टीने जर तुम्ही ड्रॉ करू शकता, सो यू कॅन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, तुम्हाला तुमचे 15 नंबर असतात, 0 to 15 नंबर्स तुम्हाला असतात, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. सो यू कॅन ड्रॉ दिस. एक आधी रफ डायग्राम काढून बघा, आणि देन ट्राय करा तुम्ही थोडं फेअर काढण्याचं. ओके गाईस. Chalo, I hope you don't have any problem right now. So this diagram, this Venn diagram will help you to understand. This Venn diagram will help you to understand very clearly. It will help to understand very clearly. Natural numbers start from 1 2 3 4, like that. When you add 0, they become whole number. And when you add negative numbers, then it is an integer. Then the numbers are integer. समजलं तुम्हाला आता? Now, similarly, my class, that is standard 6, is a part of your school, right? Your school is part of your town is part of taluka is a part of district, and district is part of state Maharashtra, and Maharashtra is a part of your India, state in country India, and India is a part of Asian continent, and Asian continent is a part of world or the earth. समझा? Getting guys? चलो आगे जाएंगे. यस. सो क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस सेट 4. इट इज वेरी इजी प्रैक्टिस सेट. मैं अगर नहीं बताऊंगा तो भी आप कर सकते हो. इट इज दैट मच इजी. चलो आई टेल यू व्हाट टू डू एंड हाउ टू डू. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन ज्वाइन अगेन अगेन अगेन. ओके चलो. इफ देर इज नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम, कुछ आप आ सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आई होप किसी का प्रॉब्लम है शायद नेटवर्क का. चलो. So practice at 4. Practice at 4. Question number 1. Classify the following numbers. Classify the following numbers. Classify the following numbers. Yes. As positive numbers and negative numbers. So can you tell me positive numbers and negative numbers? Yes. So फटाफट पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर सेंड करो. चॅट में ऑप्शन आहे. तुमच्याकडे चॅटचा ऑप्शन आहे ना, त्यातून पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर सेंड करा, अँड निगेटिव्ह नंबर्स ऑल्सो सेंड मी. पहिले पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर सेंड करा, and then send me the negative numbers fast. सोपं आहे. You can do that. जल्दी करो. So you have given right answers to me. Question number positive number. So -5 is negative number. +4 is positive number. Then -2 negative 7 is positive number. 7 is positive number. Then Hmm. Then plus 26 positive, minus 49 negative, negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, and positive. Right? Chalo. Given below are the temperatures in some cities, write them in proper signs. So, see, below means negative, below means negative, above means positive, and above means positive, right? So, you can write here minus 7 degrees Celsius, minus 7 degree Celsius. You can write minus 12 degrees Celsius, and here you can write 22 directly, 22 degrees Celsius, and 31 degrees Celsius directly. So no need to give sign to it, right? Chalo आगे जाएंगे. Question number 3. Same way, question number 3 is also similar one given to you. Write the numbers in the following examples using the proper sign, right? चलो question number 1 here. A submarine is at a depth. तो depth बोले तो क्या होता है, पानी के नीचे होता है, पानी के खाली असर. So it is minus 512 minus 512 m. M means meter. Minus 512 m. M means meter. Then question number 2. The height of Mount Everest, the highest peak in the Himalaya is 8848 मीटर. सो ये पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली तुम्हाला 8848च लिहायचं आहे. 8848 मीटर, 8848 m. M means मीटर. Then question number 3. A kite. Kite कुठे उडतं? Kite flying at distance of 120 meter from the ground. तर जमिनीच्या वर आहे. Therefore it is positive. So directly याचं 120 meter. 12 m. Sorry, 120 meter. And tunnel is at the depth of 2 meter below. Below means negative. लक्षात घ्या. Below means or under means negative. So minus 2 m. M means meter. Minus 2 m. M means meter. So this ends your practice set 4. This ends your practice set 4 of integers, positive integers and negative integers. So what you are going to write, I'll tell you.